Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. ETH starts to move again. I mean, that's another possibility for ETH to have completed this wave 4 in a so-called, it would be a running flat structure with an A wave, a corrective B wave, and the C wave could have completed here just above 1750. Let's see. I mean, it eventually takes a break above 1855 to confirm that. And then we are likely in circle wave 5. Circle wave 5, what could it target? So if it's already rolling, which is again a bit too early to confirm, but if it's already rolling, then it should reach, ideally I'd be watching for 1956, the 61.8 fib extension, definitely a level to watch. Let's see if we get there, but ultimately these corrections, especially in a wave 4, as this one is or was, again, there's no way to say if it's already complete. This could even turn into a more complex triangle. These corrections, especially transition from a wave 4 and a wave 5 into a wave 5, they can become quite complex. Okay, so they can become quite complex, and given that they can become so complex, you can't really say, okay, this correction is now over. Could be because it fulfilled the requirements of a flat structure. You normally want the A wave complete, obviously, then a corrective B wave, and then you can calculate a target for C. I think when in my previous video, I gave you the 1-to-1 ratio to watch, which is basically had 1759, basically reached that. That is just one level to watch typically as a target for a C wave. Okay, if we make another low, is it a disaster? No, ideally I want to avoid another low here, but it wouldn't be a disaster. It would simply probably drop down to that dashed trend line. That's the next support to watch. Below 1724, I will change the wave degree and will assume that we already completed this larger degree third wave. However, before we start that fourth wave, I would prefer to get really that one more extension here. It would just make things a little bit clearer. It would just fit better into the overall picture. So what essentially are we waiting for? First of all, we are watching now 1755 support, because that's the immediate structural support, also the breakout point. And as long as we're holding that, we should be able to go more directly higher in one more extension of this third wave. Okay, if we break below it, we're watching the trend line 1724 and then 1663. Below 1663, I would turn bearish again on ETH and would assume that this rally has failed. For now, that's nothing I'm primarily watching for. Let's start and take a look at the daily time frame quickly, because in the daily time frame, we see two things. First of all, we see that Ether has not broken out of the corrective price channel yet. That would be helpful to really fuel some more upside potential. And then we have 2150 as next major level to watch. Above that level, we can watch for the roughly $3,000 to $4,000 region. So this is going to be next resistance here, this breakout point at basically $1,900. Getting out of this channel is going to be priority. Yeah, there isn't much more to add for ETH at the moment. It's been a slow day, but again, like with Bitcoin, that's good. We don't want it to fail straight away. But for Bitcoin, it's more important to hold on that higher level because Ether hasn't even broken out yet. So Ether first can consolidate above the breakout point here, above this 2150 level. That would be helpful. Now we haven't even broken out. Okay, so that needs to be first priority. Yeah, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.